Uh-huh.
This what I was made to do. Yeah, bro, no saving you. My goals is to save the truth, I promise. Hot cars in the band and coops. My heart is just made for you. Yeah.
Okay. What am I up to? I gotta go. Yo. What up, Short Stories? How you feeling, bro? Hey, did you DM me on Discord, Short Stories?
Yeah.
Did you DM me on Discord? My bad if I didn't respond. I've been fucking busy. Yo, what up, Lead? I know, I've been late, bro. I was late. I was doing a sales call. No kizzy, bro. Like no cap. Honestly, I was ripping something. I was doing what you should be doing right now. You know what I mean?
It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid.
When I died, put my money in the grave. Died, put my money in the grave. All right. What's good? What's up, B-Study? Nice. What am I selling? I'm just selling. Like, it wasn't like a sale. I guess a sales call. I was just convincing this dude to run his fucking current stack right now through OpenClaw. He does utility pool sales. And I was like, bro, like, I don't know why you're. It was essentially just. I was just talking about like why you haven't explored agents or like other things like that. And he just didn't know how. And so I'm going to talk to him about setting up some sort of marketing flow. The way I usually do it, lead loader, is I'll usually build everything out before the demonstration. So that way I'm demoing them on a product that I built for them. And it makes it really easy. The problem is it's just too big it's a massive investment. So like if they've got a huge stack and like huge automation process I need to do, what I'll do is I'll go through and I'll build out flows from like an example CRM of kind of what they're using and kind of like build out a mock sales process of what they're running, and I'll show you them what it looks like while it's automated. And the problem with that is I'll spend $60 in API credits, and if I can't close that sale, then I'm sitting there with this fucking app that I can do nothing with. What are you looking at today? That's what I need. I got you. We're gonna get into it. My bad. I had to give Lead Loader a little bit of game. Okay. Let's cook. So what am I looking at today? I mean, bro, it's. I mean, I don't want you to be like only follow my trades, but here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna look at two different prompts. So I'm gonna look at prompt 3 and 4. Just gonna see. I'm gonna kind of go and look at the stock from what this is doing. It's a Thursday. We've got a 201 NVDA, a lot of chop. If we want to do a rerun of yesterday, we'll do something short term. But I might be setting up for 1 or 2 week rebound on tech if we get some good. I mean, yeah, we're gonna see what TradeGPT says. Yo, what up, JJ? Marky, what's up? What's up, baby boy? Scraping this chop steady. Hopefully, he can get one more dip on NVIDIA. That's the thing. Yeah, bro. Asking for a $60 deposit and then building it more. No, it's not even. It's not. You gotta understand, Lead Loader. These guys, fucking Apple call. What are we talking about? Hold on. Lead Loader. The thing is, AAPL. These guys, if they're only doing a demonstration on the power of AI, they're not going to do a $60 deposit on the build of a system they know nothing about, right? I mean, they're way more skeptical than you'd think. But if I were you, dude, I would use lovable free credits, and every time I had free credits, I would build out a demo of like the most approachable client I could, and I would just show them what I built for them. All right, so we're talking about an Apple call. All right, my bad, guys. Let's lock in on trading. I'll do it. What are you talking about? It's just so choppy, dude. It's literally so choppy. Hold on, man. I'm literally entering in like the worst part of the day and at the worst time. Why Apple for June 18th? It's a tight trade at $12. Stop loss, option price at $11.40. Let me see what it does when it hits this again. I'm on a 1 minute. Let me see what it does when it hits this line again. And if it breaks this line, I'll enter. I'm going to get the trade ready right now. When SpaceX goes public, investing Google, getting their investment payment from a 2011 $900 investment, $900 million turns to $100 billion. Check out microcap SRXH. From what I can see, it has huge potential upside. Paul, when I said that's what I need, I thought you've been talking about helping somebody set up. What I need, I thought you had been talking about helping somebody set up a fully automated trading system. I'm not the guy, I'm not like the fully automated trading guy, right? I mean, you're gonna see me, I use automated processes, but I'm on the front lines of this shit. Like, not to suck my own dick, but let's see where this candle closes after 291.11. I'm not sucking my own dick. I'm on the front lines of this shit, bro, and there's no fucking crystal ball for that. Like, maybe I'm looking at the wrong assets or what it is, but the best bots are long-term bots. Here we go. Yeah, we're good. Uh, 280, 18th of June. Just feeling, wanting to stop. 280. Options. June 17th. Oh, June 18th. And strike 280. Call. $12.90. Yeah. Fuck, dude, it's just going up, up, up. It's literally ripping right now, man. I filled. I'm in. My entry's here. Okay, I'm in on a call. I'm at 1273. I filled at 315 like a fucking retard, apparently. Oh, dude, the fill killed me here. It was just the limit price that Robinhood suggested. That's fucking crazy, bro. All right, Apple. 618, strike 280, call, and our entry was 13.15. Wow, that's bad. That's really bad. I did one contract. I'm not gonna be throwing $10,000 trades on this market right now. I'll trade real light, real chill until we figure this out. We'll take profit here. What was TradeGPT's take profit? 13.90 or $14. So I'll just do $14. Dude, yeah. I mean, this is real easy work, bro. I'm down 37 right now. I'm at 1278. Fuck no, just scrape it. Dude, my entry was so bad here, bro. It was not even I would have filled it what TradeAlgo told me to fill out. I gotta get better at this shit, man. Why I didn't do a market fill? Nah, bro, I did a limit, but it was just the Robinhood suggested high likelihood fill. On these small trades, I don't want to fuck with my Webull P&L. I'd rather just use my fucking account. I've got like $5,000 in it for $5,000 cash in my Robinhood. I just want to use that while this market's crazy. You know, do like smaller positions at a time for the last 2 days. That's what I've been ripping. Market's trying to go higher, but it just keeps pulling back. You pay me for a banner, why didn't I use it? I didn't figure out how to put it up. Yo, cause why? Drum roll, please. I'm in NASDAQ, bought 50 contracts up 37K. Fuck no, just scrape it. What happened? High frequency trading. Yo, nah, bro, yeah, I got put in a really, my limit order auto adjust. Robin has this thing where it'll auto adjust the limit order. But we're doing all right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What's up, Gappers? How you feeling? Bro, B-Sunny, you're probably so much better at using Robinhood's option trading platform than me. This is like the third options trade I've ever placed on Robinhood. False breakouts. Waiting for pullback reduces your risk profile and same increases your time pop. I'm not looking for a big a guy dog. Yeah, I mean yeah. Dude. I had such a bad fill here. I'm not even at break even yet. That's insane. That is insane. Yeah, I'm fighting against a market order right now, bro. I gotta start listening, dude. I'm only down $10 though. I'm at 1305. POP, probability of profit. If TradeAlgo, Gappers, I'm curious, if TradeAlgo's TradeGPT gave you a probability of profit, would you listen to it? In the money probability. Oh, that's what that means. The probability of profit doesn't really have anything to do with it's not like a crystal ball. It has to do with like the thetas and the Greeks. You're up 18. What'd you fill at, short stories? What did you fill at on this? Your boy got bad fill, man. Bad fill on a whatever the fuck happened. I took over the past month after taking a $1,500 loss for the first time and learned patience. Now I'm printing. It does. I've tested. You've tested TradeGPTs? I just talked to a guy who kind of reminded me of you, Gappers. He's from South Carolina. Nowhere near your the size of dick you swing, right, on your tasty trade, but it's got like just a hair above 6 figures in the market, and he's been rotating these stocks around, and he's had $100,000 since like 2022. And now he's got like $108,000. He's like done nothing. And the only reason he reminded me of you is because he he had like this southern accent in his voice. And I was talking to him and I told him about you. I was like, there's this guy that that I know from online streaming, and he has a strategy that he's built out where it's just spreads on stocks and other things like that. And I kind of like opened his eyes to it. So I think he joined the Discord. I'll have him look at your channel. Sun's been trading now. Sun's been trading for like a year. You have to ask. I wanted to at least have a POP at a minimum 55%. I mean, we have an 80% here. I'm up $3 right now. I'm up $3 on this 280. I'm at 13.18. I'd say, bro, JJ, I'd say I'm in a pretty good spot being in bullish on Apple right now. I'd say I'm in a pretty good spot being bullish on Apple right now. I'm not trading against the trend or anything like that. I mean, it dropped down super hard today, but like this is like a serious diagonal here. I might be a little bit retarded, but like that's like that would signify it's going up, wouldn't it? 55 slightly better than 50-50. You want higher? I'm just saying don't take it under 55. Are you talking about TradeGPTs? Now I'm down $30. I'm at 1283. Damn, this thing is volatile. This thing is volatile. What are you guys up to this weekend? I probably won't be on stream tomorrow. For full transparency, I'm heading out to Greenwood Lake at like 12, and I don't even think I'm gonna come into the office. Paul, buy another contract of this Apple? Why? Why? Are you telling me to put my money where my mouth is? Yo, what up, Carmelo Anthony 16? Yo, rough week for you, boy. Rough week for Carmelo. Yeah, I guess you just can't go stabbing people at track meets. Anyway. You know what I mean? You can't just fucking stab somebody in the fucking chest. Rough week. Brought in about 20% for the total money I put out today. Hell yeah. Ouch. Vacation thing, Airbnb. Yeah, lead loader. Exactly. No, I'm just fucking with you, bro. I'm just fucking with you, Carmelo. I'm just fucking with you. You have the name of a funny guy. We remember OJ. It'll earn you the losses back on the first contract if it goes up. Okay. How much buying power do I have? I didn't stab anyone. Oh, my bad, bro. You have the name of a funny guy, LOL, Carmelo, look at news. Bro, are we on a downtrend now? Nah, it's a 1 minute chart. Chill out, bro. Nah, that just invalidated the downtrend. Oh, yeah. Google Carmelo track meet, LOL. Yo, if you guys want a breakdown of the AI that I use, go to TradeAlgo's YouTube channel. Like, not my YouTube channel, but like look up on YouTube TradeAlgo, and you basically will get unlimited content of me glazing the fuck out of the system and like showing like how I use it. Is this futures? No, I use I'm trading options. I'm down $10 right now. I'm up now. I'm actually break even. AI slop or legit? It's AI slop, dude. I'm literally the sloppiest guy. No, it's legit, bro. Like, I mean, I don't know. I don't fucking like shill it. It's data, right? I mean, you guys want to break down? I mean, what? I can nerd out for a second. There's nobody in here. Fuck it. All right, this is while we watch Apple. I mean, we'll give Apple a little bit of time. Like, bro, look up this. TradeAlgo is what I use, bro. Just Google search TradeAlgo. Okay? This is the AI I use. No shill here. No shill. Let's just do basic research. TradeAlgo is the AI. They have a website and shit. And I use, like, all of their products. And they're, like, massive, bro. I mean, go find another trading company that does what TradeAlgo does with 1,962 reviews that holds a 4.7 star rating. Especially, like, with a system that's as complicated as trading, bro. It's insane. And then, dude, I'm literally this just sounds like straight promotion right now. They do like coaching and training, so they also taught me and stuff how to trade. All right, I'm done. I can't do this anymore. No more show. And then, bro, they raised $3.7 million from 1,000 people, and they had a valuation of 113 million just because of the fucking data. Like Google search, like if you go on AI mode and you just Google search, who does TradeAlgo purchase data from? TradeAlgo sources its market data by purchasing standard industry feeds from major financial exchanges and licensed third-party financial data vendors. Okay, so like this is like a big part of it, bro. Because what does TradeAlgo's AI operate on? It operates on the data they purchase, right? The API, the TradeAlgo API connects to 250 different stock market data providers, just 4 of which are these. Okay, so let's just let me show you here something. Let me cook here. Watch. So go build your own AI. Go build your own AI. I'm telling you, go build your own AI with just these 4 data sets. Like, go do that. Fact set research systems. What were them? Fact set research systems. Morning, Star, and Forbes. If I wanted to purchase these data vendors and build AI around the data vendors, how much would I pay? And include a fucking API costs and build out costs and timelines. Yeah, JJ owns it. Bro, yeah, bro, are you shitting me? What, are you gonna go spend $240,000? Like, literally suck me, dude. Like, what are we talking about? What are we talking about? Yeah, bro, go buy FactSet for $60,000 a year. I paid $5,000 and then I got lifetime at TradeAlgo. Everything is owned by a certain religious race, $500K a month. Yeah, bro, like, it's not, like, I can't even sit here and bullshit. This is Google. If I wanted to, this is what I asked. If I wanted to build, and this isn't even like they send trade alerts, bro. Like, I don't even have to use this or worry about the data. I could just follow the trades these motherfuckers send me. And then I even asked, if I wanted to purchase these data vendors and build AI around the data vendors, how much would I pay and build out costs and timelines? All stuff TradeAlgo has already done. Let's sell, bro. I'm up $18, actually, nah. I'm up $20. I'm kind of mad I'm trading so baby mode right now, bro. I only did, this is probably the smallest trade I've ever taken as a primary stream trade. It was $1,300. Dude, this shit is hard. Gappers, are you following my lead here and trading Apple? What's up? Do not go away. I hate them. Bro, go buy FactSet and Bloomberg and go buy the data sets. Don't even use TradeAlgo. Just go spend $450,000. Here's the other part of this, bro. And like, not a lot of people see the value in this unless like you've been in my stream for a while, but like I want like a guy like Lead Loader to kind of think about it. When TradeAlgo launches their API that'll connect right to your Robinhood or right to your Schwab, there's not even going to be a reason for any of this anymore. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, there will be zero reason for any of this. You'll have an API that you plug into your Robinhood from TradeAlgo that'll literally do all this for you. It's going to be insane. And I'll make sure, like, my day ones all get fucking access. Like, yeah, the guys who have been supporting in my stream, that will be my first order of business, is making sure you guys get access. What is 1380? What is 1380 on a 1315 entry? $65. Why does your counter show minus 18? It's just updating, bruh. Yo, short stories, what are you doing, bro? I know you're making money. I know you're making money right now, short stories. But I don't want to encourage anyone to follow my trades. I just want you to do what I do, bro. Robinhood API is live. I think it's going to be useful. That AMD turned you scared, Paul for president. Yeah, it kind of turned me scared. What's up, Magic? What's up, baby boy? When you give me that, I'm going to taking all my dad's money and depositing it. P&L still up on the month so far? Yeah, I mean, it's slowed down, bro. I mean, like, you guys want to see? This shit has slowed the fuck down. But I'm just trading. I'm trading really conservative over the past. I mean, yesterday and today I've been really conservative. Just doing $1,000, $2,000 trade sizes. And I need to keep my eye on this Robinhood, brother. On this Apple. But yeah, I'm up 1,800 on the month. We took a really, 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 really nasty loss on the 4th. AMD call. Yeah, you remember, bro. JJ remembers. I mean, if you guys were in here, a lot of you guys remember. But yeah, I got my fucking teeth kicked in. First match tonight. Now the question is, do I just take this? Do I just ride this trade all day? I'm up 6% right now, so not even that much. Interesting. It gave me a 280 call, man. It's super deep in the money. Who's watching World Cup match? Yeah, we'll be watching it. I'm up 98 bucks. I'm at 14, 13. Yo, hey, short stories. What was your entry? I'm at 1423. Spurs winning. I'm in New York right now, bro. I'm not even kidding. Oh, I gotta show you guys these videos. Nah. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna hop out with. I'll just grab $100. We'll take $100 off the table. I'm setting my limit at 14. 14. 20. I'll set my limit at 14.20. Yeah, so I placed the limit at 14.20. Gappers. Yeah, exactly. 291.10. I'm out. Well, not out yet. It filled. I filled at 14. 14.20. Nice and easy. It was smooth. All right, whatever. I'll take it. Okay, so what were we about to get into? I gotta show you guys these videos of the fucking nonsense last night in Manhattan. Okay, so I first need to make sure you can hear it. That's the most important part. I don't even know anymore. I don't know how to do it on Streamlabs. Anyway, bro, so I'm sitting in my apartment and the Knicks win, and all of a sudden I'm sitting here and I just hear, like, it's when they made that layup, and I'm sitting in my apartment watching the game. They made the layup, and then all of a sudden I'm right there, bro. I'm not even kidding. I'm a block away from Madison Square Garden, like right in the shit of things in Manhattan. And I'm not even kidding, bro. The streets were blocked off. You guys are going to see in the video how many people were literally outside on the street. I was so glad I lived in a high-rise, bro, because I would have been pissed. So let's kind of bring it back. So the fucking layup gets scored last night, and all of a sudden I just hear everybody outside go crazy, like crazy. Just everyone's going wild. There's 1 second left in the game. And then the fucking 1 second goes, the Knicks win. And then I just hear the crowds going wild. Like, people screaming, car alarms going off, like, da-da-da-da-da. And then all of a sudden, just in the height of all of the cheers and, like, the fucking screaming, I just hear, boom, boom, boom. And I was like, what the fuck? Loud as shit. Like, it had to be, like, 20 yards away, bro. And I literally didn't know if it could have been a bomb like a literal terrorist attack. It could have been somebody shooting, an active shooter, or it could have been like fireworks or something. And I stand up and I run to my window and I look out the window, and these motherfuckers are throwing fireworks on Fifth Ave. Like civilians are taking fireworks and throwing them on Fifth Ave and just letting them explode, bro. It was anarchy. It was anarchy. Are you compromising taking money from APAC? Damn, I wish you guys could hear this. So look, you guys, so I'm right here. This is, and then I'll show you, Madison Square Garden's literally right here at the top. So this is Madison Square Garden right here. And I'm right here. So, fuck, you guys can't hear it. So I go up. And you can see the fireworks now. So you can see how low the fireworks are on the ground. Watch. These motherfuckers are just throwing fireworks, like with all of these people right after the Knicks win. It was bonkers, bro. I wanted to go down. I wanted to go down there like in the anarchy and like vibe, but it was just, it would have been too overstimulating for me, bro. I was like kind of faded, and like I knew if I went down there, I would have been like really fucking scared. Bro's capping, nothing happened in Fifth Avenue. Oh my days, take me back. 20% on 2 mil, trade is 400K. Yeah, facts. Lead loader and nobody likes me is the same person. Why did I dox myself? Shut up, bro. When we winning the MVP for sure. I didn't expect that. Bro's capping, nothing happened in Fifth Avenue. But Spurs winning, you guys are out of your fucking head, bro. You guys are geek. The Knicks are winning. The Knicks are winning. Yo, do you think Apple just goes up all day? I'd love that. I'd love that. But yeah, JJ, if you come out here for real, bro, let me know, dude. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. I'll even bring you on stream if you want, bro. If you're in the area, you and I could sit here. We'll do some trades together. You bust out the laptop or the iPad or whatever setup you got, and we can just play ball. You could show me how it's done. I wouldn't know shit. I wouldn't understand your what's going on in your brokerage whatsoever. But you could keep the boys updated. A lead loader is every person in the chat. What's up? What's up, Omega Man? JJ dissed me on Instagram. I don't even think JJ doesn't even have Instagram, bro. I remember when JJ tried to figure Instagram out and he couldn't do it. Yeah, it's up to you though, bro. I understand. I mean, you probably, the last thing you want is eyes on your bag. And that is one thing that this does attract. I mean, yeah, the invitation is more than welcome. You've been very helpful with your insights. So, I have no Instagram. Yeah, exactly. I dare you to wear a Spurs shirt on the street. Dude, one of the Cornell wrestlers did that last night, and there was nothing that happened to him. He's also fucking ripped, but that dude put on a Spurs jersey and just walked through the valley of death, bro. Nobody tested him either. He's like, is Dylan Palacios. You guys know who this is? He was a Cornell guy. Never was that good at wrestling, but Dylan Palacio. So this guy, he threw on a Knicks jersey, or not a Knicks, he threw on a Spurs jersey. And this is a New York guy, which is even more funny. He's just a troll. So last night, he threw on a Spurs jersey and just walked through the city, basically. And nothing happened to him. But he used to do this challenge he was the one, this is the guy, he doesn't get enough credit, bro. This guy's mad funny, and he was the first dude to do the take me down and get $1,000 like beach prank, where he'd go to the beach with a sign that says take me down and get $1,000, and he was slamming motherfuckers, bro. I think that's why like they had to shadow ban him or something, because he was beating the shit out of people. Yeah, I do lead loader. Show us. Let me see. He was on Kick last night doing it. Here we go. Dude, he sucks at streaming though. I'll tell you that. $12 hours ago. All of this was 12 hours ago. 13 hours ago. Knicks and 6 were bad. Okay. It's a 2-hour stream. It's a 2-hour stream. Look, he's just walking through. He's wearing a Knicks jersey. He's ripped though, bro. This dude, this is one of those dudes that you see him and you know he'd fuck you up, and then if you tried him, he'd fuck you up. He's only got 91 followers on Kick. Now he's goated, bro. Like that, like Dylan Palacio is fucking goated. He's got bread, bro. He was buying. He was on like Bitcoin entry levels with like some of the earliest guys in the game. I was the motherfucker. I'd take you down, host. No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't take me down. You wouldn't take me down. Let me see. Let me see if I still got, yeah, right. Fuck. You wouldn't take me down, bro. I'll take you to the stratosphere, bro. I just do too much drugs. What's going on here? Bro, I'll show you videos back in high school wrestling and me literally putting motherfuckers through the floor, bro. I wasn't that good of a wrestler, like genuinely. I only went to state. I didn't even think. No, I barely like did the regionals in my senior year. I was never really that good. But one thing about wrestling, bro, is if you're really bad at wrestling but you stick with wrestling, it kind of instills this like weird, delusional forward momentum in your life. It's something about just getting the shit beat out of you on a competitive level and just keep going back to it that just hardens you as a person. Paul's the motherfucker who peaked in high school? Yeah, dude. Bro, you don't even have the gains. You'll be getting mauled. Yeah, dude. Right on the forehead. Paul's full of crap. Bro was a bully in high school. Yeah, dude. Oh, my God. It was wrestling. It was literally like fucking high school wrestling, dickhead. I hated high school. Besides that. Getting bricked to do MMA low-key. I was low-key always brick. I went 2-2 at state. Oh, really? What state? What state did you go 2-2 in? I was definitely a bully. I placed 3rd Northeastern Nationals my junior year. Where? Are you in wrestling? You guys are literally capping. There's no one in here did that. Northeastern Nationals is crazy. The Northeastern region of the United States is the 2nd best wrestling region in the United States behind the Midwest. We took 3rd as a team. What state is this? What state? Inconspicuous. California? You guys had some serious competition in California. What was the wrestling high school out there? No, fuck, dude. What's the super good green high school in Northern California? Poway, Buchanan, St. John Bosco, Clovis, Poway. Yeah, Poway. These dudes, bro, I remember they had a 152 pounder that literally like ruined my self-esteem as a person. He was like a grade younger than me, and he just beat the fuck out of me, bro. I was like, dude, he was like a national champion though. Second Masters to what weight class? Did the drip just hit? JJ hurt my feelings. Poe. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Pen. I'm dropping too much lore. LOL. That's Southern Cali. Yeah, you're right. I was wrong. It is Southern California. I mean, no, dude. Southern California wrestling is actually crazy. Their state championships for high school are like a fucking crazy event. Buchanan. North County, San Diego to be exact. Where did you ever go there? Did you ever go against any Poe guys, bro? The real ones. 152? All right, bro, come see me. No, you probably whooped my ass. Now look, the real ones know about this high school. If you guys know about Apple Valley High School in Minnesota, Apple Valley, bro. This is where Mark Hall went. This is where Gable Stevenson went. I live here now. 152. I wasn't national champ, though. Maybe you beat the shit out of me, though. Yes, I went against them every day in practice. Dude, where did you go to Poe? Bro, maybe you're the guy that beat the shit out of me. Dude, we had such a good exit on Apple. It wasn't me. My uncle's cousin's brother went to the Leering Care Center in Minnesota. Possible we couldn't have had cross-pass or had a match. I graduated 2016. No, I graduated 2018. And I wrestled from 2012 to 2018. I did it for like 6 years. 2 years before high school started and then when high school started. How long until stream ends? Stream is about to end. It's pronounced Poe. Poe. Powe. Powe. Go. Brandon, FL High School, lead loader. You know you don't have a family. Why are we checking out Brandon Floral High School again? Nah, is it a wrestling? Do they got good wrestling out here? Oh yeah, the wrestling came right up. One of the most legendary high school wrestling programs in the United States. Recognized for their unmatched dominance, winning 26 Florida State championships. What the fuck? Who the fuck are these guys? Dude, it's always these dudes in like the basic ass singlets that just ruin you. Sunyan. Missing trades, bro. I know. I mean, my ex, I got out of Apple. Let's find another trade. We've been kind of BSing. It's just I just don't see an entry. Let's cook though. That's what we're here to do. My bad. We had to take a little intermission. Yeah, yo, where the trades at? I appreciate you guys for the little intermission. Let's find something on the dashboard, man. Let's find something on the dashboard. I'll do a little Weeble trade like usual. We'll touch some of the Weeble balance. That sounds pretty inconspicuous. All right, let's go. I just want to see what stocks are getting volume right now. SATS, interesting. INSM. So you guys know the kind of the recon here. Sometimes we do the opposite of what the dashboard says. Just because a stock gets a large amount of institutional activity, it doesn't mean that institutional activity is a good or a bad thing, because you have to look at what the stock already did. So like if I look at SATS and I see that this stock is getting EchoStar. Oh, fuck yeah. No, we all love EchoStar in here. EchoStar's awesome. This is the $1 billion, this is the guys that AT&T gave like 20 billion or something to in August. So EchoStar, let's break it down. EchoStar 124. TradeAlgo's ranking it as bullish for the next hour, and it's getting a large amount of institutional transactions. So if I usually like to cross-reference the 1 hour with the dark pool activity, if it's getting large amounts of institutional activity and it's over a 50% bullish sentiment, that's enough for me to go and take a call. And then, I mean, I can add confidence to this by looking here and seeing the stock on a weekly basis. On a 7-day average, EchoStar only gets $191 million. On today and today alone, they got 345 mil. Put some respect on J squared. Yeah, put some respect on J squared. Oh, this is today. Yeah, dude, these things just loaded up with $1 million transactions. Let's rock. Let's do it. Let's do it. TradeAlgo says it's bullish. It's enough for me. Let's start. Let's just do small here. Tight trade this week's expiration. And we'll practice a limit order here. Wait, I need to make sure there's options on this actually. Yeah. Okay, Echo starts trading at 125, so I'll do this 126. Actually, I'll just do this 125. I'll buy 4 of these at around $5. Comes up to 3,000. I'm in. I'll show you guys my entry. Whoa! Dude, it didn't fill at $5. It filled at $6.20. Same shit every freaking morning, dude. And I do it to my goddamn self. I told myself I'd do a limit order, and I just did a market order like out of retardedness. I don't even know, dude. I got a really bad fill, like always. Whatever. Let's lock in. Okay. Yeah. Not much I can do now. It's a bad fill. Did a market order like an idiot. Got a bad fill. I'm at $6.10. I'm not even. It wasn't even. It was just the fucking $50 I'm down doesn't mean anything, but it's just more of like the principle. I'd like reeling my emotions in. It was just really stupid. Whatever. Not gonna lie, before I just came for trivia. Everything but giveaway. Bro came for the money. Let him make some money. Let's do some trivia. And lie, before I just came for trivia. Everything but giveaway. Alright, let's cook here. Yeah, I'm in EchoStar calls right now. Tight expiration. Just a little trade. Yo, what up? Definitely not. I'm at $6. Literally, like, there's zero. I can have zero sympathy for myself in a situation like that. Just straight up fucking the bag up with dumb shit. Trendline trading is paying me money, boys. Let's go. DP study. LOL fake me having. Sorry, I'm just finding a song. I'm smoking RM. Trendline trading, what is that? JJ asks. What is a trendline? Just trading on the, like, drawing a diagonal and then doing what the diagonal says basically is gonna happen. Paul, can you help me? Oh yeah, dude. What a fucking time to be alive in the markets. With $2,300 for my tuition, dude, you're so scammy and like chopped and fat and fucking geeked, bro. I know that's not the real you. I know the real lead loader wouldn't ask for that, and so I don't mean that. But like, shut the fuck up. Show me your dad's cars, man. The car and your dad's watch collection. Dude, I'm not well, huge volume on SATS right now. Holy smoke, what just happened in the dark pool? $12.05, there was a $5 million order, 47,000 shares, traded through dark pools. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, yo.
What's going on? Yeah, you did. Dude, what time did you get back? Like 3 a.m.? Yeah. Some Taco Bell?
Yeah.
Always smash. Fuck yeah.
Dude, I converted that Taco Bell.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. No, that 24-hour Taco Bell was clutch. Yo, it was a madhouse outside.
Yeah.
There was literally explosions. My boy Daniel just walked in. I was saying what's up to Dan. I think it's going to crash hard. Everyone's kind of geeking about this SpaceX IPO. Are you gonna trade the SpaceX IPO, bro?
I don't know. I watched it go down $40 in the same day. Maybe like 165. Look at it, like 135.
How are you tracking the equity?
It's on Robinhood.
It's on Robinhood. What's SPCE or no?
I think so. But it's like this goes the IPO.
That's ridiculous, man. What's the market cap? They didn't got a market cap on it. They're scamming. Show who's behind the camera. Shut up, dude. Yeah, bro. Yeah. No, exactly. No, Snow Squirrel. They don't even do anything for the retail yet. Like, I will say, there's going to be companies that benefit from them in the government contracts. I'd look into RCAT. SpaceX is very overvalued. Thank you, lead loader. That's a great observation, man. You eat breakfast? Nice. From the shop, the truck? From the truck? Oh, really? Nice. Is Amir here? No. The fuck? They have Starlink. Guys, look into Red Cap. JJ, IDFC, what you say, it's overvalued as fuck. So crazy. Like, lead loader, you're 13, bro. Like, really, when you say something like, I don't care what the fuck you say, coming from a 13-year-old, like, yeah, nobody cares what the fuck you say either. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna be hard on you because like you're a little bro, but it's like I'm not waiting around to like like hear if lead loader thinks SpaceX I'll clarify, lead loader in Senegal who thinks SpaceX might be overvalued. I don't think you understand what's going on. Can you shed some light on SpaceX, JJ? I'd love to hear everyone. I love to hear what everyone says. It sounds like Snow Squirrel has the very blatant and basic idea, and he's taking this very face value, which is sometimes what we need to do. They don't really do anything besides launch rockets and bring them back down. Right? They're not going up to space and grabbing $1 million and bringing it back to the Earth. That's not how fucking SpaceX works. The moment they start doing that, yeah, sure. Fuck it. They start mining asteroids. Yeah, maybe Lead Loader's right. Full port SpaceX? No chef here. Life tough. You forgot Lead Loader is a Jew. He might have the crystal ball. Johnny Knight knows ball. They do launch payloads. Okay, like this, like SpaceX, like Starlink satellites. Bro, how much money is Starlink even making, dude? Like, oh, and get paid for it. Okay, how much are these contracts? Are they in the bit? Like, are they doing $1 billion? In, I mean, it's what, for around $40 billion a year in jobs like that. I'm watching Echo. I mean, I'm sitting here with the Echo Star in my pants. I've got $50 profit here. I'm at 630. Yeah, Rustle. Sometimes I put that on Amir's desk and he's looking a little rough.
This is how I felt.
Were the girls cool?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You're super cool.
Dope.
Yeah, I think that's really good too. I'm really excited to go back.
Oh, dude, yeah, that blanket and couch combo smash.
Yeah, I know.
It was Daniel's first time sleeping on my couch. Bro, I arguably sleep on my couch as much as my bed just because it's so fucking comfortable and I'll watch a movie on it and I'll just fall asleep.
I woke up and I had no clue where I was. Just like lost. And I like came through it. I was like, why am I sweating? I was scared, bro.
Google the shot. Okay, look. I'll Google the ship. I'll go SpaceX payload. I'm going on Google. Amir's really not here?
Who?
Amir's not here.
He's not coming at all. He texted me. He's like, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm like, I gotta come myself to figure out how to do myself.
Bro, they need to bring shit to my house so we can go to the lake house and everything's smooth.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm trying to get there at 4.
Well, dude, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna leave today at some point and go get my shit, and I'll have it back here by the time we're at work.
Is currently making money. Okay, so I'm asking Google's AI to explain how SpaceX is currently making money. But yeah, just whatever. Just bring like a swimsuit and like a shirt, and then we'll pretty much just be out there all day. Okay, 61% of SpaceX revenue, bringing in $11 billion. Damn, I was off my mark, bro. I thought Starlink was doing $40 billion a year. Okay, $11 billion from Starlink. Space launch services. So this is what Gappers is talking about. Okay, government contracts, approximately 1/5, which is a fuckload of SpaceX revenue comes directly from Uncle Sam. Multi-billion-dollar NASA agreements. Okay, and then artificial intelligence emerging segment. All right, this seems like shill. They don't even have connectivity, space, artificial intelligence, total consolidated. So they did about $18 billion. So nowhere near. 8. What I say, overvalued as fuck. It's not that you didn't say that they were overvalued, bro. It's not that you're. That everyone is thinking that. Lead Loader. You're aggressively buying what they think it'll become a decade from now. Yeah. So this is blatantly. It's blatantly saying it's overvalued. I'm not using TRADEALGO here. One day semis are bad. Now they're good. Are you saying semis are good today? Because I'm still staring at a $460 AMD. Brother, I'm right, you're wrong. The question is XAI part. XAI is getting $1 billion a month from Google. So weird. Why are they why wouldn't Google work with the program they've spent a centy billion dollars doing? Like, just like kind of speaking out loud on that. It's unknown what's happening. History in the stock market we are living right now. Yeah, exactly. We have no idea. Oh, Google's paying Elon almost $1 billion a month for data center access. Is Google paying Elon $1 billion a month for? Okay, so SpaceX has their own. Dude, imagine signing a client for $920 million a month. Go fuck yourself. You don't even need to sell them. You just need the infrastructure to support that kind of move. Dude, we got to start building data centers, bro. Gappers, let's build a data center, bro. Let's build a data center. Let's build a data center. I'll pay for 90% of it. Out of thin air, that's why Wall Street is suddenly treating like a rocket company. Okay, hold on, lead loader. This might go against. Between Google, SpaceX generated $26 billion in a year high margin revenue out of thin air before going public. Dude, that is so baller. Wall Street is suddenly treating it like a rocket company, like a $1 trillion AI landlord. Just trust me, bro. I don't lie. Are you okay? So, what is your opinion on? Are you going? So it sounds like you're decently bullish. Yeah, I'm hopping out here at 6:55. 6:55. Once again, TradeAlgo's AI was right, and I had no idea what I was doing. You think that they're going to build data centers in space? We rented our GPUs back in 2019 for people for AI, and how'd that go? My dad almost made $5 billion more last year than SpaceX. Hey, lead loader, just like shut up, bro. Like honestly, like yeah, that's enough. Like that's enough of that. You don't buy tops. Here on Bullish in SpaceX, not till dust settles on IPO. Gaff, I saw a video saying data centers in space are actually impossible. Why? Just because of like transferring. Space is difficult because of the radiation and not being able to make repairs. I'm starting to have faith in TradeAlgo. I put my whole fucking life savings on this shit. I'm at 665. The dashboard is such a slept-on tool, bro. The TradeAlgo dashboard is such a slept-on tool for short-term trading. Like JJ, like if you ever started trading options, the way you trade futures, you would crush it with the dashboard. Get the data center on Mars. Don't forget about me on Discord. No, I got you, bro. I got you. I'll set you up with the sales rep that I talked to, and I'll just tell them that I don't know what they're doing right now, but they'll like talk to you about coaching and training and or whatever the fuck. That's not my fucking thing. Let me make sure I can find you here on Discord.
I used to sell websites to U.S. customers, but I don't have a dial anymore. Calling from South Africa without a local number can seem sketchy. I found a free dollar called text now, but I need to be in a U.S. security account. Is there going to be someone up just to make an account? Yeah, I can help you with that, bro. Oh. Hey, bro, let's chat. Or after stream. I just texted you back, short stories. What's my boy saying? I need to go away getting people though. Waiting for that $199 NVIDIA. Dude, SATS is crushing. I'm at $7 right now. You can dead-ass beam energy down. Let's do some trivia, make the stream a little fun. You guys are just, like, we can. The problem is, it's just like way hard for me to make it fair, and then people just cry. How many Kroll accounts do you have? Nobody likes me, aka lead loaders. Data would just be sent back down on laser probably. I have 8. I'm at 705. Doug, yeah. How long do I hold this thing, man? I mean, it expires tomorrow. I have 8. Data would just be sent down via laser. I mean, we'll hop out here. All right, Cody. Coden Dynamic, are you African? By the way you just said spelled fair, I'm guessing that you are. There's no unfairness in trivia. The fastest win. People scramble and they don't even read. That's why I say any answer clicked under 5 seconds should be voided. No, it's literally the first link when I link to Google. It's saw a video saying the cold in space isn't the same as the cooling on Earth or something. I have to look more into it. Cody needs $20 bad. It's a typo error. Oh. Are you African though? Or Indian? If Elon could use solar panels to generate energy and also block sun hitting DC. First one to say JJ is God wins $10. Let me see what I've got trivia wise. I mean, I could just do it OG style and just put a question on the screen. I could just do it OG style and put a question on the screen. Come on, big baller, put up 2K. Alright, guys, let's do a trivia game. Fuck it. Just want to be clear, man. What am I trading? I'm doing options on EchoStar right now. Before I do trivia, let's get out. I'm up 425 on these. I'm gonna close here. Do a limit order at 650. Oh, I filled it instantly. Yeah, I filled it instantly at 650. Great work. Awesome. All right, that's 2 done. Nah, I'm not feeding these peasants. If you make 100K a day, then put up 2K for one of these guys. Dude, let's cook, man. All right, let's see what's going on here. I'm just gonna find a random trivia question. So this is good. We're just gonna do one. All right. The question is, trade some SPX 0 DTE. I'll do one of those. I'm out of EchoStar. Dog, I mean, bro, trading off of trading options, like short-term options off of institutional volume is like really, really, really fire, bro. Like genuinely. Let's use website for trivia. All right, Coding Dynamic. Now you're asking for too much, bro. The website's the reason why I hate doing trivia on the website, because it just creates too many problems. I vibe coded that website in 5 seconds, and it doesn't work for everybody the same. You need to learn options. Put the seller to grow. I need to hit 4K. Gold is draw. I was talking to a dude about that today. It was the same guy that I told him about Gapper strategy. But like, bro, like you can't tell me that this is wrong, bro. Like, look at this, and then you go to the trending downside, and it's the same amount of opportunities. Yeah, absolutely. Just buy up index funds with money I don't need. Up 25% total year and a half. Dividends are growing as well. In 10 to 15 years, dividends will make hundreds a month. Hundreds of thousands, I hope, hopefully. You're gonna get dividends or long-term growth, bruh. Yeah, absolutely. No, Snow Squirrel, that's how I got my start with trading options is. Copper's always been doing good. How do I get access to TradeGPT? I dig the long game, of course. Brandon, just Google it. Google TradeAlgo, because that's the company that makes it. You'll get the real one. Hold on. Sorry, I'm just working on my rental car for tomorrow. Guess that address is fine. Is it a parking garage? Yo, what do you think of JEPQ, Snow Squirrel? I'm so out of the game right now. I saw good and inconspicuous. You had to drive up to LA, shake it off for a day. You know what I mean? You know, lay it down for a day. You know, gotta come in next week with a fresh head, bro. That's all it is. Yo, that last one was crazy. Hold on. How do I order Chipotle through ChatGPT? You can't use my model. Let's do some trivia on the website, Paul. All right, put it in an image, bro. I'm about to do trivia, but I'm not gonna do it through the website, and like it's just like just shut up. Hold up. My bad. I had to eat a pretzel. Yeah, I just like burped up energy drink. This is what Gappers is talking about, QYLD. Bro, my trade today was literally, I asked TradeAlgo, I was like, I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, exit price, and expiration. TradeAlgo told me to buy Apple, long call, did a little like 200 with that. And then I went back to the TradeAlgo dashboard and I ripped this top stock on the dashboard. So this is a dashboard that just recognizes when stocks get high amounts of institutional activity. Just went on this dashboard right here, and then I found SATS, nice and smooth. Oh my God, is he actually gay? Who? Talking about me? I'll kiss you, bro. I'll kiss you, bro. It goes from 15 to 19, back and forth. Is Paul gay? I did. When I decided to come out, like seconds ago. Seconds ago. Is the dashboard on the app? Nah. You gotta do the dashboard through the mobile, like just do TradeAlgo.com. Told you to sell SPX calls on last pump. They're up 40% away. Because it's too. How are you making money here? Bro, Gappers is so nice. Remember the meme, leave Brittany alone? Yeah, leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone, bro. Okay, you know what, Carmelo Anthony, bro? Go pull up, go back to the track meet, bro. Go hit the track meet, Carmelo. Talk about freedom. But yeah, I'm not talking about getting rich, talking about freedom. True. Carmelo's projecting hard. Should we do another dashboard trade or should I go fucking Geek Max? You guys want me to prove it again how good the TradeAlgo dashboard is? Want me to prove it again at 12:36 lunchtime? Drop a 1 if you want me to prove again how fucking goated TradeAlgo is. Make a technical analysis? No, dude. Nah, I'm not gonna do that, bro. I wish I could follow through with my advice more. Bro, I made 1.1 mil Tuesday off 65K. Fix my camera? Why? What's up? What's going on with my camera? What's wrong with the camera? Whoa. Boom, that was my order. It's split in half. If you really did that, JJ, you can retire already with dividends. Almost time to sell calls again. The Batley, that's the point, exactly. W&W has the biggest gain from the list. Gapper said Netflix. JJ said silver, which is down. Nice one. Demetrius, MPWR, Johnny9 said OKLO. So funny you said that. You went out of all of the things you could have said, Johnny. You go nuclear. Really, I mean, really solid choice, bro. Bones Jones goes Celsius, the Z Lifestyle. WNW. Gappers only uses TradeAlgo.com. No, he doesn't.
Хочу икры и сала, меня все заеб... Меня все заеб... Меня все заеб...
Alright, I'll have to fix this later. Saloon. You guys want to do another trade? SATS is still in the dashboard. It's just such a gutty fucking system, man. What I'm doing is I'm just like this dashboard just changes all the time with stocks that are getting more amounts of institutional activity. Let's do options. Shane, no. Let's do live options. And then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna do a different strategy. I'm gonna use a different TradeAlgo tool. I want to see what's getting lots of volume, so I'm gonna move this up to $5 million. So what I'm looking at right here is I'm only gonna be looking at companies that are getting more than $5 million in single transactions. And then I'm gonna bring my expiration down for the next 90 days. And then no minimum contracts, that doesn't matter to me. And so I can go and kind of sort through these and kind of see like what people are up to. So I see that like most of these $5 million transactions are coming from SPY puts that are coming at above price filled at ask. For what expiration? June 18th. Coinbase, yo, SanDisk. SanDisk is getting massive fucking orders. Yo, there was in the last 2 minutes, bro. In the last 2 minutes, inconspicuous, 2 orders came in on SanDisk. Bro, yeah. At 12:37 and 12:37, 2 $14 million transactions came on SanDisk, but I'm trying to figure out, this might have been a spread. This might have been an institution doing a spread on SanDisk. What did you just order, Paul? I haven't done anything yet. I'm just looking at
Dude, this thing has been getting money, bro. Gappers really, I don't know if you guys can understand this, but Gappers just said something that is so fucking profound and accurate that it's like, it'll go over most people's like heads who are beginners. Gappers just said, I can't take in too much data. Gappers said, I can't take in too much data because it convolutes his trading. And I think that like, in like the most simple way possible, like bro, yeah, it's 100%. Should I take this SanDisk call? We got orders coming in on SanDisk. Just choppy right now, Jay. It's choppy right now, my boy. Just 2 transactions coming in. Paul, do a trade. The longer you wait, the longer you miss potential. Yeah, see, that's I've graduated from that mindset. That's not what it is. I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a like some bum rush to find another trade. I'm winning right now. All right. Okay, I need to go get some water. Then I'm gonna take a trade. Just gonna grab some water really quick. Your boy just took a rip. I'm not gonna cop. Your boy just got medicated. Not gonna sit here and lie to you guys. That's why I put on the glasses. Okay, it's a full transparency trading channel. I'm gonna hop off for now. You have decades left to invest. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We know it's expected. Yo, man. Yeah, I guess it's time to fucking trade. Like, we're gonna do another trade. And let's navigate to the small cap stock section of the TradeAlgo dashboard. How's that sound? Let's see what's going on in the small caps. These little fuckers getting it. SPCE is up 225% of institutional activity. Let's see what's going on here. SPCE, Virgin Galactic Holdings. Okay. Is there options? Wow, there's lots of options on SPCE. 579. Aerospace, pioneering space flight for private individuals and researchers. Air and space vehicles. Dude, is this a move? Do I go and trade a fucking aggressive ass option on this right now? What's TradeAlgo saying about it? It says bullish, bullish, bullish. Dude, do I grab Space or Virgin Galactic right now? It's just, how much volume are these guys actually getting today? All right, they got 211 million. When I pull this up, I want to make sure you guys can see. Can you guys, when I like do this, I need you guys to be able to see it because it's pretty fucking important. Today, the stock has done $211 million. On a 7-day average, they only, fuck, you can't even see. They only do 83.98 million on a 7-day average. So they're getting a lot of volume right now. It looks like transactions are coming through like literally as we sit here. 5 minutes ago, nothing over 1 million. However, I'm looking at 748,000 come in at 579, 295. Nothing over 1 million on this, which isn't like a lot of conviction on grabbing a fucking fast options trade, but it's going up. Fuck it, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it right from the horse's mouth. Right from the horse's ass into your mouth. SPCE. I'm going to grab a $6 call option. At 63 cents. Yeah, these are calls. I'll do a market order just because. And I'll do $1,541. All right, here's my entry. I'm in. I have taken Virgin Galactic. You guys understand what I just did, bro? Do you guys understand the flow here? Okay? What's the flow? It's TradeAlgo dashboard. The top stock on the TradeAlgo dashboard, I make sure the stock is going up, and then I buy the fucking stock, guys. It's that. That's the flow. If you're wondering how I trade, it's real monkey see, monkey do, lead loader level trading. Here $6 call, 12th of June. I filled 23 contracts at 67 cents, and June 11th, 2026. All right, how's that? You guys fucking with it? Let's see what happens here. Oh shit.
No time to waste, it's only right now. Then the lights down, we taking off on this trip. Hold on for your life now. Got too high, we jumping off on this cliff. You know you might drown in this lifestyle. No going back once it hits. I know I'm already rich.
I'm at break even.
That shit you like don't entertain us.
I'm at break even right now.
Don't need a bag, I need a Brinks truck. Can't fit my prices on a pay stub. Your net worth hanging on my necklace. No stressing when I get arrested.
It's choppy, man. I hopefully am gonna get in right at the bottom of the chop, but it is what it is. Let's just see what happens. It's very bullish. What, bro? Even if I lose this, bro, going 2 for 3, I'll take it, man. Just copied your trade. Really, really, really stupid fucking idea, bro. Ezzy, you've been in my stream a lot. I literally always say never copy my trades, bro. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna fucking rip you for it, but it doesn't matter. You have the power to do whatever you want. What I would say is, bro, is Ezzy, learn the system that I use and just use it to your comfort index, right? It's not healthy for you to go in and take SpaceX calls because a guy in the internet's taking them too. Or not SpaceX, Virgin Galactic. A lot of rocket boosters, Leader, yeah. No, Ezzy, I mean, whatever. Let's cook. Is Trump speaking right now? Short SPX calls for the win again. I like gambling with day trader. All right. Well, I mean, yeah, I wish you would have been in my stream earlier because I wasn't taking gambles. I was taking fucking actual trades. And the second we got into small caps, it's really funny that you decided to hop in the second we go and we trade hyper volatile small cap stocks. Monkey see, monkey do. What's up, buddy?
Wait, you know who's the admin on TikTok? Who added you as an admin on TikTok?
What?
Who added you as an admin on TikTok?
It's like Andrew or something.
Andrew. Okay.
Why?
Because you're not an admin, so I can't add a pixel, which I'm trying to put the ads up. So I'm gonna follow stuff.
Go to the team. Just view team.
Andrew's not even on our team.
No, just view the team on the TikTok, like who has.
Oh, who has access?
Yeah.
You're right. Okay.
This is gonna be normal. This is gonna do what it's done all morning. It's a fucking super volatile microcap. Not microcap, but it's just a super volatile stock, bro. It's gonna go down and then it's gonna go back up. It's gonna go down. We're gonna just ride this out. I made 3K in 2 minutes off 10K. You said you made 2K off dividends over the past year. Paul blasting music when John and Carlos coming and swinging. No, they're not. That wasn't even. That was neither of those two people. That was Anthony Scott, bro. I mean, bro. I'm sitting here now. I've got like now we're gonna have to ride this SPEC trade out. Just ripped the pen too, so it's like even like just more geeked. Like I'm just like starting to think like, dude, I'm in this tiny cap. Dividends is not the move, bro. NYC does show good. Yeah. Dude, just get another higher high and let me get out of this. The basketballer. Yeah. There's two basketballers here.
Eating good, but I got a nice little wrist. Granny doing better. Me and bro got a nice little whip. I really know it. Come on, give me that. Yeah, take your money. I really know it. Come on. Okay.
Maybe if I shorten the time frame. Yeah, this is a 15-second time frame. This is better. This is healthier. I should be watching this. I should decrease it even more. Ooh. Dude, a 1 second chart has to be cancer. Like this gives you cancer. Dude, watching a 1 second chart actually should be illegal. It's literally you're watching a slot machine. You're literally watching a slot machine when you watch a 1 minute chart. Never take advice from someone that says dumb shit like that.
Johnny, to answer your question, the music is so shit. Holy. Okay, I'm sorry. If you zoom out, you'd see a bigger picture. I don't know what I'm looking at anymore. Hey! The 1 second chart pays off. Watching the 1 second chart is paying off, bro. It's going up. Yeah. I'm not making money yet, but yo, what up, Eric Clip? Nims is kind of mid in the big 26. The 1 second tick is crazy. I knew there was this crackhead who used to work here, and he would literally trade on the 1 second chart, but he was so nails, bro. He was so nails. I'm not even kidding, like, there's this, like, breed of trader that exists, and it's different than any other trader that's out there in the world, because they have the market experience of a guy like Gappers, and they have, and, like, a former hedge fund guy. Let me kind of paint a picture for you of, like, the two of the smartest traders you've ever met, okay? I'm going to paint the picture. All right, the first of the smartest traders is a guy who, you know, lives in a beautiful home, trades like a very set, straight strategy, and, you know, very little gut feelings and intuition, very hard-coded, been doing it for, hasn't missed a market open for the last 25 years. That's one end of the spectrum of amazing trader genius. Now, I'm going to introduce to you guys the other end of amazing traders that are geeked. I'm going to paint the picture for you. And this is how they always start, okay? You're going to rewind to somebody's early 20s, Wall Street guy. Starts working at a hedge fund back in, you know, early or late 90s, early 2000s, right? Primetime.com, whatever, shilling fucking Yahoo. Guys just printing money as a Wall Street guy, trading every single day, watching charts. He's been doing it since he's 20 years old. But here's the difference with this guy. This is the guy who develops a drug problem, okay? And he's on the other end of the spectrum. This is the trader who made so much money trading and was so good at it that he just decided to put his energy into drugs and other things like that. Now, he's not trading for basic comfort, right? Bro starts trading for survival. By the time the big 2026 comes around, he'll get $100 and know exactly what he's going to do to turn $100 into $1,000. Then there's guys like me. 100. No, I'm not talking about JJ. I'm talking about this other dude, because JJ's not homeless. I've literally met homeless dudes who are like in a button-down shirt, like a dirty button-down shirt, bro, and all they have is some busted-ass Android, and they use Robinhood, and all they need is $100, and they start getting motion, bro. And there was this dude I used to know, and that was his exact story. He could print money in the stock market like nobody's business, and this motherfucker would watch a 1 second chart. That was the craziest shit I've ever seen in my entire life. He would watch a 1 minute chart turn $100 into like $1,300 consistently, and then he would just cash it out and then go get fucked up for the weekend and come in with $0.
Wouldn't even save another 100 to start trading with. And I would ask him all the time, like, bro, like why don't you just lock in? Like, dead ass. Why haven't you just locked in and traded and gotten a bunch of money and then you can do whatever you want? He's like, yeah, I'm trying to do that. Like, I'm trying to do that. Like, like, it's just bullshit. I'm not describing JJ. And this isn't JJ by any means. And those are the two ends of the spectrum for genius traders. And this guy is this super fucking bright genius level guy, super fucking smart. But he would just be 100% intuition. Didn't matter what time of the day it was. He would hop in and he would do like the most random companies. Sounds like my kind of guy. I remember I'd ask him, I should do an interview with him. I don't even remember what our entry was here. My drugs are a hobby, not a problem. Exactly. It's different. But that's like the premise, bro. You have this entire generation, and that's still, I mean, it's still happening. It's still churning them out to this day. But the Wall Street guy who, instead of being smart and builds a long-term wealth for himself, these are the guys who end up on the streets of Manhattan who are just genius IQ level traders who just have a really bad drug problem, and they literally trade dollar to dollar to support their drug habit. Paul describing himself secretly? Yeah, nah, it's not, nah. And that's the two levels of it, bro. That's the two levels of it. That is the two levels of it. All right, man. I mean, I might go for break even on this, but this is looking redundant. You need to do an interview with, yeah, I should. Can't interview a dead guy. He's still alive. Huh? Kinda, yeah. You said tacos, didn't you? Oh, weird. Yeah. I'm not really hungry now. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do an interview with him. I don't know where he's at now. He was like texting me about like Jeff Bezos is like pre-IPO. Yeah, he's still alive, bro. He's still alive. I used to give him $100. Like, I'm not even kidding. I would give the guy $100, and he would send it back to me. He would pay me back. You always close too early. Let the volume come back. All right, let's see what happens. Tacos do sound good.
Today a man told me that men don't start in training.
Dude, like, what is the point of Streamers University again? What is Streamers University again, bro? Dude, I would crush a fucking In-N-Out burger from Vegas right now, dude. Oh my god. I would violate a fucking In-N-Out burger right now, bro. It's a leech fest. What's a leech fest? Small streamers leech big streamers. Oh, at Streamers University. Bro, like, who's consuming that shit, man? Like, genuinely. I'm not one to talk. I mean, it's like the biggest streamer in the world. But, like, dog, like, how? It's just crazy. Yo, what up, Pluto? Just read 5 guys got destroyed in New York, or a... We're good on the 1 hour. 1 hour looks great. The closest thing we have to In-N-Out out here is Jimmy John's. Actually, that's not true. That's not true. I just lied. I gotta go pee. I didn't even draw an entry here. That's how you know how geeked I am. Kick? Oh, like the streaming platform? Not really. I used to stream on Kick, but it just was slow. Jimmy John's? Dude, Jimmy John's is crazy, bro. I would put my meat inside of a BLT from Jimmy John's right now. Is Phil here? Danny? Dan, is Phil here? No? Dude, these guys just fucking crack me up, brother. I stopped taking it, Johnny. It was making me slower. It was making me slower, bro. I'm not even doing like any real subs right now. I'm not really doing any subs right now. I'm just vibing. Firehouse is goated. They've got that one cheddar brisket sandwich at Firehouse that's insane, but you can't eat that every day. I used to get those and crush them though. I'm thinking about streaming for fun. I'd say start with YouTube, bro. Dude, they threw an egg at Wemanyama. No, I don't, bro. I guess I could, but I don't. All right, boys. I'll probably wrap up here, man. Dude, the ass pizza drops are crazy. Dude, I'm buying this. I'm buying this right now. Oh my god, Echo Star. What up, chump? What's up, Eric? How you feeling, bro? That's a good question. I don't know why I was completely dead in 2025. Hold on. I'm buying this shirt right now. Am I American? Yes. Ship. Big chillin', enjoying life? Hell yeah, bro. Boys. I'm gonna wrap up. I lost $60 on this trade. It is what it is, man. It's nothing. It's gonna go up anyway. Fuck, I should just stay in it. I have till tomorrow, but I don't want to get eaten by Theta. I'll see you guys later. Shit is tanking. Bro, I mean, it's down 10 cents. It's not really that much. I have it zoomed in on a 1 minute chart. It's gonna look worse. Like, it's not even on a 1 minute chart, this is nothing. All right, boys. I'll see you on Monday. I probably won't be on tomorrow. If I'm on, it'll be a surprise. But still pull up and show some love for a little bit. And yeah, another choppy day. We still did really well, though. I mean, I lost 5% on my last trade, but that's what happens when you trade small cap stocks. That's where you stick to the large cap and you stick to the TradeAlgo dashboard. I'll see you guys later. Peace. If I'm on tomorrow, yes, pull up on me, but if I'm not, it's all good. I'll see you guys.